We love shoes. We wear them for hours, sometimes even days. Isn't it great? Well, yes, until you take them off. Ooh. Does this smell familiar? Meet Vtex V20, the only waterproof nanotech shoe with triple odor protection and 20 amazing features. You'll feel like you're wearing new shoes every day. We are Vtex, the most advanced nanotech footwear company. Last year, we launched Vtex 12 Features all-season waterproof shoes. It took Indiegogo by storm and raised over $1 million. Backers' reviews amazed us. This year, we've decided to make our best shoe ever even better. So we've created the Vtex V20, a waterproof shoe with triple odor protection and 19 other awesome features. But we'll get to that. First, let's talk about why other shoes stink. Did you know the reason for that is bacteria? The inside of your shoe is a breeding ground for bacteria. They feed off your sweat and reproduce, quickly creating a disgusting smell and making nasty things grow on your feet. Ugh. That's why we made the new Vtex V20 antibacterial with triple odor protective shields. To see how well Vtex blocks bacteria, here's a little comparison. Public toilet seat, 2,752 units of bacteria. Regular sneaker, 3,887 units of bacteria. Vtex, 0 units of bacteria. That's a trivia fact you will not forget so fast. How's this possible? First, we added silver-coated fibers to the Vtex V20 inner layer. Silver is used by NASA and healthcare facilities for its antibacterial properties. The silver destroys bacteria, fungus, and viruses, which prevents them from reproducing inside the shoe and causing bad odors. Another layer of odor protection is Vtex patented nanotech fabric, which blocks 99.9% of bacteria and viruses. We also integrated a long-lasting deodorant to our fabric. To perfect the odor protection, the new cushiony bamboo insoles suck moisture and bad smell away while being super comfortable. Your Vtex V20 also comes with replaceable cooling insole covers. Their cooling technology absorbs and releases heat and moisture away, keeping your feet cool, dry, and fresh, even without wearing socks. Now let's dive into some other features. Do you have sweaty feet? Vtex is ultra breathable, thanks to its patented nanotech temperature control membrane made of sweat-wicking tubes. They suck sweat away while letting air flow inside, keeping your feet cozy, fresh, and dry. Talking about staying dry, Vtex is 100% waterproof, stain-proof, and heat-resistant for up to 200 degrees Celsius. And they're also cold-resistant for up to -20 degrees Celsius. They're ultra-lightweight, windproof, and also sandproof, making them the only pair of shoes you need to pack for any adventure. If you want to feel fresh like you're wearing new shoes every day, get Vtex V20 for all your life's adventures.